Hi, this is Vikas Singh from Horizon, and in this video I'm going to show you SQL Server upgrade for Microsoft Data Protection Manager 2016. So in last video we have migrated our Microsoft Data Protection Manager from 2012 R2 to 2016. So our database is still running on Microsoft SQL Server 2012 R2. So I'm going to migrate in this video and I'm going to show you. So if you need our help to set up a Microsoft Data Protection Manager infrastructure for you or any migration related to Data Protection Manager or System Center suite, you can contact us. Our contact details is given in below descriptions. So let's move. So we are focusing on SQL Server database upgrade for Microsoft Data Protection Manager 2016. So you can see on your screen System Center Data Protection Overview. So in this overview you can understand the Data Protection Manager is a tool of System Center suite, which you can take the backup of your application servers like SQL Server, Exchange, SharePoint, file servers. Also, you can take the backup of your physical machines, virtual machine, which is running on Hyper-V, VMware, or Microsoft Azure. So, and also it's provide few other features like automation, central monitoring and reporting, which you can do from Data Protection Manager console, and also it's application aware backup. You can see we can take the SQL Server, Exchange, SharePoint backups, and cloud integrated. We can sync our Data Protection Manager backup to cloud, Microsoft Azure. So let's move and focus on our demo. So in this video we are using three virtual machine which I have used in my last videos also. So the first machine is Active Directory Server. You can see the Active Directory Server name is Win12 DC01, which is running on Microsoft um, Windows Server 2012 R2. So here's the machine. You can see I have installed Active Directory and DNS role on this machine, and this machine is Win12 DC01. Domain name is horizon.co, and the second machine is our DPM server, which is running on DPM. So here you can see this is running on Microsoft Windows Server 2016, and this machine is also running on DPM 2016. So if you go here, you can see on management I have added my third machine, which is basically Hyper-V server here, which is running on Windows Server 2012 R2, and I have one virtual machine here, which is, you can see this Hyper-V virtual machine, Hyper-V server. So this is being backed up by this DPM server. You can see the current agent status. I can refresh it, and the agent status is okay. If I go to production, you can see it's getting backed up one virtual machine and this host configuration. So I'm just going to make sure the backup is running perfect. So I'm going to create a one recovery point here to make sure the backup is happening perfectly. So it's syncing now. You can see the production status. It's syncing, and this will take some time. So now you can see the succeeded, and we have a total recovery point increased by 1. It's now 11. And for host, you can see the this virtual machine, you can see the current, it's 10 recovery point. I'm going to create one recovery point here to check the backup is running fine. So it's in progress. If I go to Hyper-V, you can see it must show it's backing up. So you can see it's getting backing up by the DPM server. So transferred some data here and succeeded. So this is how our DPM server is production is running. So, and we are going to focus on our SQL Server migration or upgrade. So I'm going to show you which SQL Server is running here. So if I go to add or remove programs, you can see I'm running on basically Microsoft SQL Server 2012 R2. So here if I go to SQL Server, you can see here I have SQL Server 2012. If I go here and SQL Server Management Studio and connect. You can see my SQL Server version is 11.0.3000, which is um, like SQL Server 2012. So I'm going to upgrade this in 2016. So we have verified it's 2012 from here. So we have verified from here. So to upgrade the SQL Server in 2016, the first thing we require, we have to make sure that we are running at least SQL Server 2012 Service Pack 2 edition. So I'm going to upgrade my SQL Server in the latest Service Pack, which is Service Pack 2 for now, for SQL Server 2012. So I'm going to upgrade first Service Pack, then I will upgrade to 2016. So now you can see the So during the upgrade, I'm going to close this DPM console. So here you can see SQL Server 2012 Service Pack 2, and it's checking some pre-requests. So everything seems passed. Click next. I accept the license terms. Click next. Now you can see what it's going to upgrade. It's going to upgrade this um, SQL Server and patch level this, and click next. Now it's going to check few files. So it's passed. Click next. Now you can see we have a upgrade button here. So good to go, and click on upgrades. So it's going to upgrade our SQL Server 2012 to SQL Server 2012 Service Pack 2. So this upgrade is going to take some time, so I'm going to pause the recording here. Once the SQL Server upgraded to Service Pack 2, I will resume from there and we'll see how to proceed further with the SQL Server 2016 upgrade. So I'm pausing the recording here. So now you can see the SQL Server 2012 has been upgraded to Service Pack 2 successfully. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to reboot once this server. Then we can start the upgrade to 2016 SQL Server 2016. Hit Ctrl to log in. Now I'm going to run the SQL Server 2016 setup here. I have already mounted the SQL Server 2016 installation media in my CD drive. So you click on install, and we have here option upgrade to previous version of SQL. So this is going to launch the upgrade wizard for our SQL Server 2012 to be upgraded on 2016. Let's minimize this. So our 2012 version is installed on evaluation mode. So if you want to put the product key to make it like full edition, you can go ahead. So I'm going to use update in same evaluation mode. So click in next, and we have to select here I accept the license term. Click next. It's going to check the product update. So now everything seems passed. Upgrade rules, so click next. And here you can see we have a version which is running on MS SQL is 11.2.5058. So this is the basically version on of the SQL Server 2012. If you go on Google and you can search the Microsoft SQL Server version, you will get all the details with version and the edition. So click next. We are going to upgrade this edition only. So we have a feature page here. So by default, we are going to upgrade the database engine services. And you can see we don't have option here to upgrade our management console, which is this SQL Server Management Studio. So I'm going to upgrade that management studio separately. So click next. And here you can see what detail we have: instance name, MS SQL, which we are going to upgrade, and the instance directory, the default one. So click next. So here you can see features rule, everything pass. So we are good to go, and now you can see we have upgrade button here. So I'm going to click on upgrade to start the upgrade for this SQL Server 2012 to 2016. So it's going to take some time, approx 5 to 10 minutes to upgrade our SQL Server. So meanwhile, I'm going to show you that if you go here, you can see the install SQL Server Management Studio is no more with this SQL Server 2016. If I click here, it will take me to the website where we can download the SQL Server Management Studio. So I have already downloaded the Management Studio setup. You can see SQL Server Management Studio setup. So we will install this SQL Server Management Studio 2016 once this upgrade is done. So you can see currently we have SQL Server 2012 here. So we have 2012 Management Studio also. So I will going to uninstall this 2012 once that's upgraded to 2016, and then we will upgrade the Management Studio also. So I'm pausing recording here for the upgrade. So once the upgrade is done, we'll resume from there. So now you can see upgrade is completed successfully. We have to restart the server to take the effect. So I'm going to reboot now this machine, so we can close this also. Close, and now I'm going to reboot this server. So now you can see we have 2016 MS SQL 2016, MS SQL 2012, and 2008 also supporting files. So I'm going to reboot my server, then we will proceed with the Management Studio upgrade and uninstallation of the SQL Server 2008 left things, which is not required basically. So hit Ctrl to log in with my DPNR twin account, and here we go. And now I'm going to uninstall my 2012 SQL part. So here we have SQL Server. You can see the size is not defined. Click on uninstall. Here we have a remove option. So it's running some support file prerequest check. Everything passed. Click OK. Now it will give you the pop-up screen where we can uninstall SQL Server 2012 from this machine completely. So I'm going to uninstall the management console and this SQL Server also. select all, basically click next and remove rules, think pass. Now I'm going to remove it. So now we don't have more like SQL Server, this management studio and these things, so we are good to go. So it's going to take few minutes, only few minutes, to remove these all unused things from this machine which is related to 2012 anymore. So I am pausing the recording. Once it's done, we'll resume from there. So now you can see Management Studio has been uninstalled from here, and you can see also Microsoft SQL Server 2012 gone from here, and we have uninstalled the support file. We have successfully uninstalled the Management Studio, so everything seems good. So now we are good with this, and the thing we are left only is we don't have Management Studio. So now I'm going to install my Management Studio for 2016 SQL Server 2016. So here we can see it's Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and release is 16.5.1. So I'm going to install this. Click on install. Yes, I want to run this setup. So this installation is also going to take around 5 minutes, but it's depend on your machine configuration. So we have to wait for get this installed, and once it's installed, we can restart our SQL DPM server, and we need to verify again that our DPM is working fine with the new SQL Server 2016 after upgrade. So I will wait for installation gets complete, then I will resume from there. So I am pausing the recording for now. So the installation is completed for Management Studio, and now I'm going to finally boot this DPM server, and then we can verify the after reboot we will verify the SQL server first. SQL Server 2016 is working now fine, and then we will verify that our DPM server is working with the SQL server, and we are able to take the backup of our virtual machines and the physical machines, which is protected by DPM agents. So hit Ctrl to Del to log in to the machine, and now just wait for a few seconds to here we need to go to SQL Server 2016, and we have a Management Studio now, and this is SQL Server 2016 Management Studio. So this is first time, so it's taking some time to get the start ready, and now we need to put here local server, or you can put the server name. So I'm going to put the server name to get 12 DPM. Click connect. We can see the SQL server has been upgraded to 13.0.4001, and we have also database here, which is DPM database. You can see the tables and everything. So SQL server is working fine, and let's verify the DPM after upgrade. So if I go to management here, you can see the client, the status. Just refresh it to get the client agent correct. So good, it's okay. And now I'm going to production, and I'm going to expand this. And here we have 11 recovery point, and I'm going to create one more to check the backup is happening. So it's synchronizing now with Hyper-V 01, and it's transferring now. Succeeded. Close this. We have a 12 point now, 12 recovery points, and click the create the recovery point for this virtual machine also. You can see the backup status running on virtual machine for Hyper-V. You can see it's backing up now. And succeeded. So we have successfully upgraded our SQL Server database, and after upgrade we have verified like the SQL Server 2016 is working fine and the Data Protection Manager 2016 is working fine with the newly upgraded SQL Server. So thank you for watching, and if you need our help to set up these things for you, you can contact us. Our contact details is given on your screen. Thank you once again. Bye bye.